business is over 100 years old. Started out life as a traditional print company. About 24 years ago we started with digital printing. The company was bought by the Landis Group in 1999, and since then we've more than doubled in turnover. We currently have two HP Indigo presses, a 5500 and a 5000.
We run at about 75%, averaging about 6,000 impressions an hour. You get a lot of robustness from the machine and downtime is very minimal. We are installing a new HP 7500 this week, increasing capacity by 100%.
The reason why we purchased the 7500 were for a couple of reasons. One, it gives us better print quality than we have today. Secondly, the 7500 gives us better print speeds, it runs at twice the speed of our current machinery. The split between offset and digital is around about 85% offset, 15% digital. Sometime in the not too distant future we would probably expect to see maybe 60% offset, 40% digital. We print everything from catalogues, brochures, instruction manuals, user manuals.
Bentley is one of our key accounts. We produce all their work on the HP Indigo, which gives it the look and the feel of a litho press. Obviously, being a market leader in the automotive sector, we need to be able to produce those books to the highest specification, and using the HP Indigo press gives us that ability.
A big part of our customer base is automotive. They want environmental credentials from all of their suppliers, so it is a very important factor for us.
We used to say to Bentley, how many should we print? And they said, well, print so many for this language, so many for that language. And when we got to the model year end, we had all these sheets left over that we hadn't bound, totally unused, and there was £50,000 worth of waste at times. So when we moved to the digital process, we were printed on demand. There was no need for any wastage at all. We not only print on demand, we deliver to Bentley the exact model, and whatever language it is, we deliver in the sequence that those cars are going to be produced and come off that line. After we've done the printing, we have to do the folding, we have to do the binding and the casing in, because their owner handbook is leather bound, and that process is done by hand. Bentley's quality system is unbelievable. They are so thorough with every single aspect of the car, including the owner books. Everything needs to be perfect, everything. The customer is very happy with what they get in their glove compartment, as well as the same as they're happy with the driving of the car.
It is the best digital print quality available, and that was one of the major deciding factors why we initially installed HP Indigo printing presses almost 10 years ago. Bringing in the HP Indigo 7500 actually helps us because we've got some really big, ambitious growth plans for the future. It helps with our positioning in the marketplace, and it means that we can go aggressively after winning more new business.